Hello viewers, I am Orko Prabhu and you are watching Next Tech. So today in this video I am gonna unbox the Mivi Roam 2 Bluetooth speaker and will test some songs on the Bluetooth speaker. So without further delay, let's get started. Subscribe our channel Next Tech for more quality tech videos and press the bell icon and press all to get notified every time I upload a new video. Here is the box packaging of Mivi Roam 2 Bluetooth speaker, which is a 5-watt Bluetooth speaker with a 24-hour playback and Bluetooth 5.0. And here is the push the limits written over there, and here it's written as engineered and made in India, which is a good initiative from Mivi brand. And here are some specifications mentioned over there, like 2000 milliampere of large battery, 24-hour of playtime, water and dust proof, and the stereo function, proudly made in India, like that. And it has also a 1 year of limited warranty. So now let's see the pricing information. So here it's written as 2999, while on online websites you will get on 1199, and the country of origin is India, which is again very good. So now let me cut this packaging and open the product. So now let's unbox this. So at first, here is a flap compartment, which is in a black and green color, which consists of some of the documentation of this, like the user manual and a card. After that, you get the warranty registration card over there from Mivi, and here is the speaker in blue color. And you also get aux to aux cable and a micro USB cable for charging the speaker. So this is the Bluetooth speaker in blue color. It's also available in several other colors on online websites. So let me give you a physical overview. Here is the Mivi branding. The grill is made out of metal and the side is made out of good quality of rubber, and the back you get another Mivi branding, and the back is polycarbonate plastic. So now here's the grill. The grill is kind of retro looking and the grill is good. Here is the strap. The strap material is quite good. You can hang it and see. Oh, the build quality is very good. And here are 4 rubber steps over there, rubber feet. So that's like this. Now here is a compartment. So here you get the aux port and the micro USB port for charging, and here is the microphone of this product. So on the upper side you get the control over there, and here is the power button, here is the play pause button, and here is a plus minus of volume and media functional button. Now let me connect this to my smartphone over Bluetooth. So here is this, and let me connect this, and now it's paired and connected for audio. So now let me test this product with some songs over Bluetooth and over aux cable. So do let me know in the comment section that how the Bluetooth speaker sounds.
I don't know what to say, I don't know what to say, I don't know what to do. Colors all around, but I don't see anything.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no.
So now let's play some song over aux cable.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
So that's it for today, guys, and do let me know in the comment section what do you think about this Mivi Roam 2 Bluetooth speaker. And hope you like the video. Then press the like button and share this video as much as possible, because I need your support as a new YouTuber. And subscribe our channel Next Tech for more quality and interesting tech videos, and press the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. So thank you for watching the whole video. Stay tuned, we will meet soon. Bye bye.